I always make the bed after waking up.
It usually takes me 15 minutes to decide what to wear and get dressed for the day. Breakfast is important, so I never skip it. If I don't have time to make breakfast, I will get something on the way. Having a nutritious breakfast helps me stay energized throughout the day.
I get out of my bed at 5 a.m. I immediately brush my teeth. And wash my face. I can't start my day without a cup of coffee, so I'm going to make some coffee.
Whenever I get stuck, I take a walk to clear my head.
Lunch is my favorite part of the day because it's my excuse to escape the office. Sometimes I work through lunch if deadlines are crazy. I usually stop by the grocery store on my way home.
And when I finally get home, I like to cook a simple dinner and relax.
I try to leave home early to avoid the morning rush. If I'm running late, I just throw my hair up and go.
I sometimes grab a quick bite like a banana or a sandwich.
Sometimes I listen to podcasts while commuting to work. I usually arrive at the office around 9 o'clock.
On my day off, I let myself sleep in without setting an alarm.
I like to sit on the balcony and just enjoy the morning sunshine.
Great job today! You just practiced 23 daily routine phrases in English. Repeat this video every day until the sentences feel natural. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep practicing.